welcome to Vision Academy. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create free, unlimited AI videos using text or images.
Completely online and without any watermark. This process is beginner-friendly, requires no video editing skills, and uses powerful free tools available on the web.
Let's start by taking a look at some of the AI videos that were generated using this method.
One hot day, a hungry lion was searching for food in the jungle. He saw a rabbit and thought, "This tiny thing won't fill my stomach." So he let the rabbit go and waited for a bigger meal.
As you can see, these videos look professional, smooth, and visually appealing. You can create motivational shorts,
Moral stories, educational explainers, or even business videos in just a few minutes.
In this video, we will learn how to generate these types of AI videos step by step.
so make sure you watch till the end and follow along carefully. Let's get started.
First, open your web browser and search for ChatGPT. Click on the official link and log in with your OpenAI account. If you don't have one, you can quickly create a free account. Once you are logged in, go to the ChatGPT chat box and type this prompt: "Give me the moral story script for a YouTube short video." Then hit the Submit button. ChatGPT will instantly generate a complete short story script suitable for YouTube Shorts. The story will include dialogue, narration, and a positive message at the end, making it perfect for short-form storytelling videos. Now, once the script is generated, it's time to generate visuals for each scene. For that, ask ChatGPT another question. Type, "Give me the prompts to generate images for each scene." ChatGPT will now create detailed image generation prompts for every scene in the story. Each prompt will describe the characters, setting, lighting, and mood, so you can generate the perfect image for each part of your video. Now that we have both the script and image prompts ready, let's move on to the next step, creating a natural voiceover narration for our story. Open a new browser tab and search for Google AI Studio. Click on the official link from Google. On the home page, click on the Get Started button. Once it opens, click on Generate Native Speech with Gemini. This tool allows you to create professional quality AI voiceovers for free. Choose the single speaker audio option to keep things simple. Now, paste the story script you copied earlier from ChatGPT into the text box. You can preview several different voice options, including male and female voices with varying tones and accents. Choose the one that best suits your video style. Once you've chosen your voice, click on the Run button. Google AI Studio will now process your text and generate a smooth, realistic voice narration. Once the audio is ready, you can click on the Download button to save it onto your computer. We now have the script, image prompts, and the voice narration ready. The next step is to create the images for our video. Open another web browser tab and search for freepik.com. Click on the official Freepik link. Once the website opens, click on the Sign In button located on the top right-hand side. You'll see three options: Continue with Google, Continue with Apple, or Continue with Email. Choose any one of them. I'll choose Continue with Google because it's quick and easy. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to the Freepik homepage. Here, look for the Image Generator option and click on it. This is where you can create AI images based on text prompts. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt for the first scene, and come back to Freepik. Paste the prompt into the text box that says, "Describe your image." Before generating, click on the aspect ratio option and change it to 9:16 because we are creating vertical videos for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. Keep the rest of the settings as they are. Then click on the Generate button. Freepik will now generate the image according to your prompt. Wait for a few seconds for it to complete. Once the image is generated, you can preview it, and if you like it, click on the Download button to save it to your computer. Now repeat the same process for all the remaining image prompts. Copy each prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Freepik, and generate the image. Once all the images are created and downloaded, we are ready to turn them into short AI videos. To animate these images, open another browser tab and search for Meta AI. Click on the official link from Meta. If you are not logged in, sign in with your account. Once you're on the Meta AI dashboard, click on the plus icon and choose Create. Next, click on the Image option and then select Video. Now click on the Upload Video button and upload the first image you generated. Once the image is uploaded, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt again, and paste it into the box that says Describe your animation. Then click on the Animate button. Meta AI will now take the static image and create a short motion video clip based on the scene description. The tool intelligently adds motion, camera angles, and depth to make the image look like a real animated video. Once the animation is complete, you can preview it. If it looks good, download it to your computer. Now repeat this process for each image you have created. One by one, upload each image, paste its corresponding prompt, click on Animate, and download all the short video clips once they are ready. At this stage, you have everything you need: the audio narration, all your animated video clips, and your script. Now it's time to combine them into one final finished video. For this, open another web browser and search for canva.com. Click on the official link. Once logged in with your account, click on Video and then select Mobile Video. Since we are creating a short vertical video, Canva's video editor is very easy to use and completely free. Now, upload all your animated video clips and the audio file that you generated from Google AI Studio. Start by dragging your first video clip onto the timeline. Then place the audio narration below it. Make sure the timing of the visuals matches the narration. You can trim, split, and adjust the clips easily using Canva's built-in tools. Continue adding all the video clips in order, matching each scene with the correct part of the narration. You can also add text overlays for dialogue or story highlights, apply transitions between scenes, and even include background music from Canva's free music library if you want to make the video more engaging. Once all the editing is done, click on the Share button in the top right-hand corner, then select Download. Choose MP4 format and high-quality resolution. Finally, download the completed video onto your computer. And that's it. You've just created a complete AI-generated video from text and images for free, unlimited, and without any complicated editing. Now it's time to check out the final video generated.
One hot day, a hungry lion was searching for food in the jungle. He saw a rabbit and thought, "This tiny thing won't fill my stomach." So he let the rabbit go and waited for a bigger meal. Soon, the lion spotted a deer and ran to catch it, but the deer ran faster and escaped. The lion went back to find the rabbit, but it was gone too. The lion stayed hungry all day because of his greed. Remember, sometimes in chasing more, we lose what we already have. Like, share, and subscribe for more short moral stories.
As you can see, it looks smooth, creative, and highly professional. You can use this method to create moral stories, motivational shorts, educational explainers, business content, or even fun entertainment videos, all powered by AI. So that's how you can create free, unlimited AI videos from text or image using ChatGPT, Google AI Studio, FreePic, Meta AI, and Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like, share it with your friends,
And don't forget to subscribe to Vision Academy for more easy and powerful AI tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.